Today's sessions we are discussing about 11th program in Java. Let's read it. Write a program to illustrate creation of threads using runnable class and start method. Start each of newly created thread. Inside the run method there is a sleep for suspend the thread for 500 milliseconds. And this program aim is to show how to create and run the threads in Java using the runnable interface. And each thread pauses for 500 milliseconds while running. And first one is we are creating a class named called myRunnable that implements the runnable, because runnable is an interface, so we are implementing the runnable. It is used, the runnable interface that is used, we want a class to run as a thread, and that class that implements the runnable must define the run method. And myRunnable class implements the runnable so it can be executed by the thread. And we are declaring the variable here, private string thread name. This variable stores the name of the thread, example thread1, thread2, like that. And constructor to name the thread, that is public myRunnable string name. This dot thread name equal to name means this constructor receives the thread name and it assigns the name to the thread name variable. And it contains the run method, that is public void run. This method contains the code that the thread will execute. When a thread starts, Java automatically calls this run method, and it has a loop, for loop, int I equal to 1, I is less than equal to 5, I plus plus. This loop runs 5 times. Each time the thread prints its name and count. Example thread1, thread2, thread1 count 1, thread2 count 1, like that. And thread sleep 500. Here we are giving 500 milliseconds, that will pauses the thread for 500 milliseconds, means 0.5 seconds. It allows other threads to execute. This shows multitasking clearly. And it has the try catch block, because sleep can cause an interruption. So in order to handle the exception, we are using the try catch. Next, and main class, that is runnable thread, it has two runnable objects are created here. Each represents a separate task, and we are creating a thread objects also, that will be runnable objects that should be wrapped inside the thread objects. So that is thread T1 is equal to new thread task 1, thread T2 is equal to new thread task 2, and the start creates a new thread. Internally it calls the run method, and both threads are run simultaneously. And with system.out.println, the thread started main method complete. The main method finishes, but threads continues executing independently. This is all about program 11.